pursuit of a computer-aided drafting certificate degree. After I graduate, I plan on getting a job at a local construction business where I'll draw cabinets using computer-aided drafting software like this that I'm showing on the screen. In that position, I will be drawing specifically cabinets. So I'm just going to go through the basics of how to use this software to draw a simple cabinet. The specific software that I'm using is Cabinet Vision. It is version 11 of this software. The base of any drafting is to start off with some walls. So I'm just going to draw us a couple of walls here to give us a base and something to work with. Alrighty, the next step is to add the actual cabinet onto the plan. So we're just going to add a standard base cabinet. We're going to drag it over and just place it on this wall. After you do that, you can click on it, and this is where you're looking at it from elevation mode, so you can see what it looks like from the front. The next step is to decide what you want this to turn into. So once it turns blue, you decide, do you want this to be made into a drawer? Do you want it to be a single cabinet door? Do you want it to be 2 cabinet doors like is shown above? All these options down here on the left that I'm circling are the options that this can turn into. I'm going to leave it as pair doors for the purpose of this example because it allows you to do more with the inside of the cabinet. So I'm going to go to section interior right up here. This is where you decide what you want to be going on behind the doors. Do you want there to be columns? Do you want it to be split vertically? Or do you want maybe shelves? So horizontal. So I'm going to do a horizontal multi-split. I'm going to place it in there, and I'm going to use 2 shelves, making 3 equal openings. As you can see right here, this can be adjusted to however many you want. I'm going to leave it as adjustable shelves, which means there's pins and you can adjust the shelf up or down to fit whatever appliances you need to go inside of your cabinet. So now you can see these 2 lines right here. That's where your shelves are. After you do that, you can look at it from a 3D view. This is where you can see everything from any angle that you've just done. Another feature of this software is that you can see what it looks like with different textures. So you can see it, what it would look like with the actual wood. You can just see what it would look like with a flat surface rather than the 3D to just give you a better idea of what it's actually going to look like in real life. So we're going to go ahead and go up here to render mode, and we're going to go to fill mode. This gives us a flat surface to look at, but not a realistic one. So you can see your adjustable pins right here to where you can move the shelf up and down. You can see all the little appliances that go into making this. You can also look at it where it actually shows you the wood. This is just scratching the surface of this software, but that is how you draw a cabinet using Cabinet Vision version 11 software.